In prophase, the centrioles move to the opposite poles of the cell. The nucleus and nuclear membrane disappear, and the chromatin is condensed, copied, and creates chromosomes. These chromosomes also combine to produce tetrads. In these tetrads, crossing over occurs. In metaphase, spindle fibers will form. Then the tetrads will line up along the equator of the cell. In anaphase, the tetrads will be pulled apart to separate ends of the poles, making the spindle fibers disappear. In telophase, the individual nucleus and nuclear membranes will reappear and the cell will cleavage furrow, eventually splitting it into two. In prophase 2, the centrioles move to the opposite poles of the cell while the nucleus and nuclear membrane disappear. In metaphase 2, the spindle fibers will form. Then the chromosomes will line up along the equator of the cell. In anaphase 2, the sister chromatids will be pulled apart to separate ends of the pole, making the spindle fibers disappear. In telophase 2, the individual nucleus and nuclear membranes will reappear, and the cell will cleavage furrow, eventually splitting it into two. But since there were already two cells, there will be 4 daughter cells, and that will be the end of meiosis.